Hi everyone, and welcome to day 22 of the Live Well with Marissa challenge at home. Today is lower body love. So what we're going to be doing is a workout for the lower body. So focusing on strengthening your legs, your glutes, so the quads and the hamstrings, all right? So let's go ahead and get started in this workout. And we'll allow ourselves to just get warm by hugging one knee to the chest first. And then the other. Good. Exhale, step wide, inhale your arms up. Exhale, fold forward, take a nice deep stretch. Good, and then inhale, rise all the way up. Good. All right, lucky number 10 is how many reps we're doing of every exercise. Let's do this. Just 10 squats to start. Now, if you have a dumbbell or a kettlebell and you'd like to use it, you're more than welcome to today, okay? That's 5. Let's do 5 more. Last 2. And 1. Good. Lunges. Step it back. Step it up. Step it back. Step it up. 8. 7. 6. 5. Get low. 4. 3. 2. Switch legs. Good. Step back and up. Step back and up. Good. 8. 7. 6. Get those legs moving. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Perfect. Now, back it up. You're going to step forward, right, step up, step back, left, step up, squat, shake it out, step back. All right, so right, step up, step back, squat, jog back. Now if you're like, what is happening? Just switch legs, it doesn't matter, okay? Left foot, right foot, squat, good, jog back. Right foot, step up, right foot, come up, squat, come up, jog back. Good. Left, step up, squat, jog back. Right foot, left foot, right foot, up, squat, jog back. Left foot, right foot, left foot, squat, good, jog back. Right foot, up, right foot, up, squat, up, jog back. Left side, left, right, left, up, squat, up, jog back. Nice. Turn those toes out, 10 and 2, wide-legged stance, squat. Squat, good. Get low into those inner thighs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, pulsing squats, okay? Get down low. 10, 9, 8, inner thighs. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Good, lateral lunge over to the side. Pick a leg, doesn't matter which leg you start with. 8. Good, step over. I'm used to queuing 8, we're doing 10 of everything, okay? So now you have 8 more. 8, 7, 6, big step, good. Finish 4 right here. 4, together, 3, together, 2, together, 1. Now step over, opposite heel down, sink low. 3, 2, 1, foot goes flat, come up, other side. 10 reps, ready, set, step wide, together, good, together, wide, together. 7, 6, push, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now step wide, hold it, toe up, sit low, 3, 2, 1, foot down, straighten it out. Good. Single leg RDLs, okay? Reach, tap, reach, tap. 8, squeeze. 7, squeeze. 6, squeeze. 5, find that control. 4, you can hold a dumbbell here if you want it. 3, 2 more reps, and then we'll go right to side 2. 1, good. Side 2, foot goes flat. Exhale, reach, tap, reach, tap. Good. Final 8. Bring it up. 7, look for balance. 6, good. 5, stay strong. 4, notice we haven't used our upper body at all. Good. The last 2, and last 1. Perfect. Now, step back into a lunge. Keep your knee elevated. Tap your knee. 10, 9, 8, stay low. Woo, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, squeeze that butt, 2, 1. Step up, switch legs. So foot stays flat. Bend your knees, hands to hips. Tap your knee. Tap your knee. Good. Final 8, 7, 6, 5. Shaky legs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step up. Shake it out. Nice job, guys. All right, now hinge forward, right foot down, left foot up, pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, hand to the wall if you need it. 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, 1, switch legs. Good. Foot goes flat, head goes forward, leg goes back, pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 10 pulsing squats. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stand up. Shake it out. Good. Now, lateral leg lifts. Lift. Lift. 8, 7, 6. Hold a dumbbell in your hand right here if you want. 4, 3, 2, switch legs. Good. 10, 9, use your hips. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, single leg. So you're going to bring your knee up. So left knee up, right foot down. And I want you to kind of sit as low as you can. Come up. And if that's real hard, heel to toe. Sit as low as you can. Come up. All right. 8. Take it slow. 7. Take it slow. 6. Be gentle with your body. Good. Final 4. Sit as low as you can. So it's not a full pistol squat. Just like a single leg squat. Good. Last 2. One more rep. Yeah, shake that out. Nice, side two. So foot goes flat, knee comes up. Exhale, sink in. Or heel to toe, sink in. Good. 8, 7. Make sure that knee is going back. 6, with your butt. 5, woo. 4, 3, come on guys, squeeze it. 2, 1, woo. Shake it out. Now, circles. So, hands to hips again. Circle 10, 9, 8, 7. Lower body love, keeping you off those hands. 4, 3, 2, switch. Good. 10, 9, 8. This is great for balance. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, reverse it other side. Good. 10, 9. And if you're not sure, just kind of do one way and be like, oh, I get it now. That's the way I haven't done yet. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, switch sides. Good. Most likely the circle forward is the one you haven't done because it's the less natural. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. Shake out those legs. Go ahead and take a forward fold, butt in the air. Exhale, breathe out. Good. Roll all the way up. Now, I just went on a run, and then I paired my run today with this lower body love exercise to try to strengthen and tone the areas of my body to keep them strong. So, add weight to make it harder. Start it over to do it again to make it a longer workout so that it can be a full workout. Or feel free to pair this with anything else on my YouTube channel, maybe a core workout, a banded workout, or a longer yoga class. Thank you guys so much for continuing this challenge with me. Please share these videos, like them, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Nice work, guys.